Hi, my name is Jason Carmichael and I'm the team leader of Ace Aquatics. Ace Aquatics is the leading aquarium and pond installation and maintenance company in Barbados. And we also have a retail segment, the pet store here in Black Rock, where we can set you up with everything that you need for your aquarium and pond and give you first-class advice to go with it. What can Flow Business do to support business owners like myself, especially in terms of connectivity? You don't get do-overs during the pandemic. That's actually become my mantra. All the times have to line up, all the ducks have to be in a row. So you need to have the internet working at all times. You need to be able to get hold of your guys when you need to be able to get hold of them, and they need to be able to get hold of you. If there's, God forbid, an emergency, it has to be able to be addressed there and then. It has to be precise. I definitely believe that the smart solutions are going to be beneficial for any small business. It allows you to be able to do those things that can be done away from the office. It allows me to be able to pull off on the side of the road if something is going on and something absolutely must be looked at, addressed, and so on. I can pull off on the side of the road, and with my phone, I can still be in the office. Everything is social media. People don't sit down and watch a TV and watch the ads anymore. You get your advertisements coming to your phone. You see your advertisements when you're going through your Facebook or so forth. So this is allowing us now to send emails and email blasts and basically do an advertising campaign. The more that you can get and the less you have to pay for it, the better. So the ability to be able to control our bills and get a great product is fantastic. What we love about the Business Email Pro is it gives the company an even more professional appearance. People prefer this because they feel as if their information is better routed where it should go. They know that if they send it to a pet store at Ace Aquatics, the pet store is going to get it and address it. And also they feel that there's a little bit more privacy that way, because if you're asking, if you're querying something about your account or whatnot, you might not necessarily want that going to the pet store. Yes, I definitely and unreservedly recommend Flow Business to all small businesses. I love the support that I get, because at any point in time, if there's a problem and I call somebody, I know that I'm going to get someone and I know I'm going to get a solution. And for me, that makes all the difference.